Hey everyone, check out this stylish Anppex 28-inch dog teepee tent for your favorite furry friends. This pet bed is incredibly easy to assemble and folds down quickly for travel or camping trips. It features high-density Oxford cloth and natural pine poles for a safe and very durable indoor home. You can easily toss the fabric tent and the thick cushion into the washing machine for cleaning. Your pet will love the luxuriously soft cushion that provides an indulgent space for ultimate relaxation. This cozy house fits pets up to 40 pounds, including cats, corgis, and even French bulldogs. Give your pet the perfect private sanctuary with this beautiful and reliable indoor teepee today. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.